Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications. Now find and pick the settings. Here you should scroll down and select Device Care, which is here. Give your device a sec. And now you can tap on Optimize Now, so the optimization happens automatically once a day, but you can also optimize manually now or change to schedule from the More menu. But let me pick Now because we want to speed up this device now. Just tap on Optimize Now. And as you can see, it has been done. So let's go back. It's optimized. Your device is in perfect mode. Now go to the storage. And here you can clean it now. Just give your device a few seconds to scan it. And actually it's all clear. But if this icon will be active, just click on it. So let's go back. Then select the memory. Your device is checking the memory, so give it a few seconds. And now you can free up memory by stopping background apps just by tapping on Clean Now. So let me pick it. Now the memory is being cleaned. And that's it. It has been cleaned. Let's go back, and also you can pick the security to scan the viruses. So that's it. Now your device will definitely work way faster. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.